Welcome to NorthStar. Aerosub Inc. has developed a new product for spacecraft that includes the manufacture of a complex part. The manufacturing of this part requires a high degree of technical skill. Management believes that there is a good opportunity for its technical force to learn and improve as they become accustomed to the production process. The production of the first unit requires 10,000 labor hours. If an 80% learning curve is used, the cumulative direct labor hours required for producing a total of 8 units would be. Let's capture the format first. So, learning curve. What is the learning curve given in the question? Learning curve is 80%. First, I will tell you the long cut through the format, and once you have understood it, we will once again do it shortcut just by using calculator. So the first one, cumulative number of units. This becomes average labor hours per unit. Remember, per unit, and this is cumulative labor hours. So first, 1 unit, 2 units, always it will be multiplied by 2. So 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. We need it for 8 units. Alright. So how much is the labor hours per unit for 1 unit? So we need 10,000 labor hours for making 1 unit. Now take up calculator. In calculator, first type the learning curve in decimal. So 0.8. 0.8 into 10,000. 10,000 equals. So we get 8,000. Press equals once again, 6,400 hours per unit. Press equals once again, 5,120 hours per unit. What is the question asking? It is asking total hours for 8 units. So total hours for 8 units will be 5,120 multiplied by 8. So it will be 40,960 hours. So 40,960 hours in total. So the correct answer would be option B, 40,960. Can we solve this question using calculator? Yes, we can solve it using calculator also. Let's take up calculator. In calculator, first type 80% or 0.8. So 0.8 into what is the number of hours required for just 1 unit? So 10,000. Press equals. This is the hours required for making how many units? 2 units. Then 2 will become 4, 4 will become 8. So press equals 4, press equals 8. And how much has come in calculator? 5,120. This is average per unit. At which level? When cumulatively we are at 8 units. So multiplied by 8, directly we get 40,960. So we don't need to write so much for computing this. But first, practice with the format. Once you are fast, then calculator can be used. Thank you.